My dear students, in this video I am explaining NCERT solution class 10th standard mathematics exercise 1.2. Question number 3. Find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by applying prime factorization method. क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट हमें दिया है, तो ये इसके क्वेश्चन प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में हमने जो सॉल्यूशन लिया निकाला था प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड का एलसीएम और एचसीएफ, वैसे ही इसमें भी करना है. According to our question, we will start LCM and HCF of 12, 15 and 21 by applying prime factorization method. So you know very well how to find. We have given 12. So 12 is divisible by 2. 2 6 are 12. Simple. 2 3 are 6. 3 1 are 3. So prime factors of 12. 2 into 2 into 3. Now we have 15. Similarly we will find here 15. So 15 is not divisible by 2 because at 1's place 5. So we will check divisibility by 3. So 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 is divisible by 3. So whole number is divisible by 3. So 3 5 is 15. And here only by 5. 5 1s are 5. So we have prime factors of 15, 3 into 5. Now next, so we have given 21. We will find prime factors of 21 here. 21. Again we will check divisibility test by 2. So this number is not divisible by 2, so we will check divisibility by 3. 2 plus 1 3, so 3 7 ja 21, 7 1 ja 7. So prime factors of 21 we have 3 into 7. Now according to our question, first we will find LCM. So LCM is equal to first 2 2 2 here, 2 again 2 here, 3. Now 3 here, 3 here, 3 and 3 here, 3. So 3 in all three numbers common. So first I am writing HCF. So our LCM will be easy. So our HCF is another number in on the all the three integers common? No. So 3 is the HCF. So we will write only 3 one time. Now remaining factors of 5, here we will write 5 and 7. So we have HCF 3, and again we will check for LCM. 2 into 2, 3 one time. Here 5 not repeat, 3 will not repeat, 5 here 5, 3 will not repeat, 7. So 2 2s are 4, 4th is a 12, 12 5 is a 60, 60, 60 means 6 7 is a 42, 42 and 0 420, and HCF 3. So this is the required answers. LCM 420 of 12, 15 and 21, and HCF is 3. Second part of question number 3rd, LCM and HCF of 17, 23 and 29. So we are seeing here all the three integers 17, 23 and 29 are looking prime numbers. So we know by the definition of prime numbers there is no other prime factors of 1 and itself. So 17 prime factorization we will write by applying prime factorization method. So I am writing here by applying prime factorization method. So here We are seeing 17 prime factor of 17, so we will write 17 ones are 17. Prime factors of 23, so 23 into 1, and prime factors of 29, 29 into 1. So it is clear from above calculations conclusion, LCM of 17, 23 and 29. So we will multiply. So 17, 23 and 29. 17, first we will write 17, or write not 17, 23 and 29. So you know very well in previous classes how to multiply, you know. Only I will write here its answer. First you will multiply 17 in 23, after result you will multiply 29. So here I got 11339, and SCF of all three, so 17, 23 and 29. So SCF we are seeing 1 1 1, so SCF is 1. So these are the required answers, LCM and HCF. Similarly, we have given third part of this question, LCM of 8, 9 and 25. So by applying prime factorization method, so you will write by applying prime factorization method. So prime factors of 8, you will find by prime factorization method. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are. Similarly 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. And similarly 25, 5 5s are 25. So we have prime factors of 8, 2 into 2 into 2, and prime factors of 9 we have 3 into 3, and prime factors of 5 we have 25, we have 5 into 5. So first we will find HCF, because after HCF our LCM will be easy. So here we are seeing no factors is common in prime factors of 8, prime factors of 9 and prime factors of 25. So here 1 is common, so our HCF is 1. The LCM we will write after some time. HCF is 1. We have HCF. Now multiply all the three integers and will be LCM. We have just got in this question number part of second. So we will write 2 into 2 into 2, so we can write 2 power 3, multiply 3 power 2, multiply 5 power 2, that means 8, 9 and 25. So 8, 9 and 25. So all the three integers we will multiply. First 8 9 is 72, and 72 multiply by 25. So you know very well how to multiply. I will not show here multiplication. So you will multiply 72 multiply by 25. So I am writing here result 1800. So we will write 1800 is the LCM of 8, 9 and 25, and HCF of 8, 9 and 25 is 1. This is our required answer.